Hi. So for video number one, when creating a multi-tiered system support for school counseling, the type of activities that should be included in a tier one support, I think would be like career readiness. I think it's very important, and I kind of got to see that at my school at Toronto's middle school. Um, a lot of kids just kind of asking me, I don't even know what I want to do, far as after high school, in a career. Matter of fact, one of the kids, he asked me like, "What does an engineer even do?" Um, he's like, "I kind of really don't want to go to college." And so I told him, I have a friend who's a chemical engineer, works in Florida, so I kind of give him about that, like what he does, and kind of give him the different types of engineers that just programs offer. And it got him back into, track as far as okay, maybe I can kind of do that. So that was pretty cool, because again, kids need some guidance, and especially when they grow old and come into the world, it's pretty tough. So they need some kind of path, to be successful. So I think that was a good thing to have. And we actually did a presentations for all the eighth graders. Yeah, so it was like a whole day, and I was lucky to be part of it. My school gives me a lot, honestly, for my practicum, so I was able to do one-on-one meetings too, also. Um, but I think also too, just little things like again schedulers and planners for the kids. They make it mandatory. They have like mandatory checks, like backpack checks, because again, there's an issue with just kids just again obtaining information and writing it down, or just not even. Again, it comes to asking for help. So kind of like skills like that too that we kind of preach to them essentially. So I'm pretty honored to again have good school counselors to shadow to kind of really show me how they really do that and why it matters. Because again, it's really simple stuff that we really don't take notice of, and you know, it's the what really is affecting the kids. And so, even meeting with them again, having one-on-one meetings, I was able to kind of get a grasp of like why are these kids flunking this class and all that, and a lot of them just didn't know how to ask for help. So kind of giving little strategies to just, hey, when you have a teacher, just literally just repeat what I'm saying. And, they okay and all that. And we give them a grace period of if things don't change, we'll come back and see what really is the issue, stuff like that. So again, just keeping, seeing what the needs are as far as at your school campus. So yeah, thank you.